So now let's see how we can work around with the inking process inside of Blender. So to work around with the inking process, I'm going to go around onto the draw tool, and then I'm just going to roughly draw out a circle right here. So this is just for the reference. So now what I can do is I can simply lock out this layer, and then I can press the plus button right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line right here, which says a curve, just like this. So if I were to click this and let's say, for example, click and drag this right here, you can see that there is a curve. And then I can just simply go around and then take reference for the layer beneath and then draw it out. So let me just go around and then drag it right here. And that is how you can work around with it. You can press enter right here. So if I were to disable this, then you can see that this is much more refined. I'm just using the reference right there. So I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to use this as a reference. So this is where it is at. So I'm going to go around and then, so let's just go around over here and then draw out another line over here, just like this. And then I'm going to click and drag this over here as well. So let's just go around, click and drag this over here. I'm going to press enter over there as well. And then I'm going to click and drag this just like that. Just go around over here. And then click and drag this around over here, and there you go. So once I do that, you can see that that's the inking process. And if I were to disable this out, you can see that this is the layer that we worked around with, just like that. And that is how you can trace out and work around with the inking process inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.